what is the concept of electrode potential. Concept of electrode potential हे काय असतं? What is the concept of electrode potential? For that we just interpret here the Nernst theory for electrode potential. For that we'll have the simple figure, then we'll make the explanation. First one, we'll draw the figure like this. Metal rod is placed. First one. Second one. It is placed in its own solution like this. It is placed in its own solution. In this case, it is getting negative charge. It is getting solution getting positive charge like this. Here itself getting positive charge. Solution getting negative charge. Like this. Okay. A reaction will write like this. Zinc gives Zn plus twice plus 2 electrons. Copper plus twice plus 2 electrons. It gives copper. Okay. Now we have to explain here what is the electrode potential. Electrode potential काय असते? What is the potential difference? How to represent electrode potential? So it is the metal rod, same one. These are the somewhat solutions, electrolytic solutions. Okay, get me. At the cast is in this particular case, if you think about the metal wire, how potential difference is developed, or how there is the concept of electrode potential. In this case, when metal rod is dipped in its own ion solution, then there arises mainly two tendencies. जसं आपण एखादा मेटल हा त्याच्या ओन आयनमध्ये डीप करतो त्यावेळी तिथं दोन टेंडन्सीज अराईज होतात. पर्टिक्युलरली फर्स्ट टेंडन्सी इज ऑफ द de-electronation. First one is the de-electronation, and second tendency is the somewhat electronation. We call it as a somewhat process of reduction. We call it as a process of oxidation. Okay. So what is the de-electronation? De-electronation is the process in which metal cations, metal atoms of the rod passes into the solution in the form of the cations by liberating electrons over the surface, generally called as the de-electronation. The process in which the metal atoms of the metal passes into the solution in the form of the cations by liberating electrons over the electrode surface. That phenomena we generally call de-electronation. Accepted. याच्यामुळे काय होतं मग in this particular case, due to passage of an electrons over its surface, the metal rod itself acquires a negative charge. And the controversy, as the cations are passing into the solution, whatever the solution acquires here the positive charge, and therefore there is formation of the electrical double layer. इथे तुम्हाला electrical double layer form होतो. There is formation of the electrical double layer formation is there. Electrical double layer is already formed, and this electrical double layer generally develops the force of attraction among themselves. The same force generally called as the electromotive force, that forces are generally called as the somewhat potential differences, or we generally call it as a somewhat electromotive force. So remember that whatever this electrostatic force, what is this electrical double layer formation execute, electrostatic force of attraction between the two oppositely charged ions, the same force will develop some potential the same potential we call it as a potential difference. And in this case, what is the potential difference? We generally call it as a somewhat oscillation potential. We have to define that term later on. So remember that whatever this potential difference is generally formed due to the formation of the elliptical double layer, which generally develops electrostatic force of attraction among these two oppositely charged ions. What are these forces? We generally call electromotive forces, and that is the main origin of the concept of electrode potential. It is your first thing about the oscillation potential. Now have the second thing. In this case, we have to follow to the second tendency, that is called as the electronation. In case of electronation, the particularly that cations from the solution accept electrons from the metal rod and get deposited over its surface. So in this particular case, as the solutions are passed, as the electrons are passed in the solution getting negative charge. On the controversy, as the electrons are lost from the metal cation itself, metal cation is getting positive charge, and by that way it generally forms here again the electrical double layer, and due to the formation of the electrical double layer, it generally forms here the electrostatic force of attraction. The same attractive forces we call as the electromotive forces, or that is generally called as the potential differences. So it is the somewhat second origin of the electrode potential, which we have to explain later on. So this potential developed due to the reduction process. It is generally called reduction potential. So this thing I will clear here once again. पुन्हा एकदा बघा. इथं काय होतं? In this particular case, a reverse tendency taking place. In this case, the metal cations from the solution gains the electron from the electrode surface. Therefore, as the electrons are passed in the solution, solution is getting negative charge. On the controversy, as the electrons are given out from the metal rod itself, metal rod getting positive charge, and by that way there is formation of the electrical double layer is there. Due to formation of electrical double layer, it generally develops electrostatic force of attraction, which is the actual origin of concept of the electrode potential. The potential developed due to process of the reduction, generally called a reduction potential. The potential developed due to the process of oscillation, known as the oscillation potential. Accepted. Now we will explain here what is the actual electrode potential, what is the standard electrode potential, and their somewhat relationship. We will explain here term by term, step by step. So we have to define here the first, what is the meaning of the electrode potential, first one. Then second term, oscillation potential. Number third term, reduction potential. Okay, once these terms known to us, we can easily define the next terms, that is the standard potential, like that. Define here the first term, electrode potential. हे काय असतं? समजा आता असं घेत जरा की we have the metal rod, electrode, just like this. Solution is there in which metal rod is placed, like this. We will have the somewhat solution place केले मी तर. आता काय होईल? In this particular case, it generally develops the potential. जे काय potential develop झाला असेल ते कुठं असेल? That potential developed is across the metal rod and the solution around it. So in this particular case, the potential developed across the metal rod and the solution around it. So what is the difference in potential across the metal rod and the solution around it at equilibrium condition, we generally call electrode potential. Remember that it is the difference in electric potential across the metal rod and the solution around it at the condition of equilibrium, we generally call electrode potential. So how to follow here this definition? Very simple one. Electrode potential is nothing but difference in electric potential, across the metal rod and the solution around it at equilibrium called electrode potential. It is your proper definition. We can follow like this. What is electrode potential? the difference in electric potential across the metal rod and the solution around it at the condition of equilibrium generally called as the electrode potential. म्हणजे इक्विलिब्रियम कंडिशनला जे काही पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स असेल कशामधला अक्रॉस दी मेटल रॉड अँड द सोल्युशन अराउंड इट. मेटल रॉड आणि त्याच्या भोवतालचं सोल्युशन याच्यामधला जो काही पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स असेल द सेम डिफरन्स इन पोटेन्शियल अक्रॉस दी मेटल रॉड अँड द सोल्युशन अराउंड इट at the condition of equilibrium we call as a electrode potential. Accepted. First term. Now define here the second term. What is the oxidation potential? Same one. The difference in electric potential across the metal rod and the solution around it due to the process of the oxidation we generally call it as a oxidation potential. जर हे potential has difference जर oxidation process मुळे असेल it is generally called oxidation potential. Okay. What is reduction potential? Again same one. The difference in potential across the metal rod and the solution around it due to process of reduction we generally call reduction potential. So these terms we have to remember here in a systematic fashion. Accepted. After that one we have to come across to the somewhat term just like this. पहा थोडासा फरक आहे. We can write it as a standard like this. Okay. हे लिहिलं फक्त मी इथं. आता काय असतं नेमकं कसं असतं पहा पर्टिक्युलरली इट इज द वी हॅव टू डिफाइन हिअर दिस टर्म. हे कसं असतं आता स्टँडर्ड कंडिशन म्हटलं इफ यू कन्सिडर द स्टँडर्ड कंडिशन्स पर्टिक्युलरली कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन शुड बी एक्झॅक्टली 1 मोलार, टेम्परेचर इज 298 Kelvin, pressure is 1 atmosphere. So if we maintain here as a concentration 1 molar or unity, temperature 298 Kelvin, that is 25 degrees Celsius, and pressure 1 atmosphere. If we maintain these conditions at that time, we generally call it as a standard conditions. Okay. Now how to define here the standard electrode potential? आम्ही हे what is standard electrode हे आम्ही असं लिहित असतो like this. Standard is represented by the zero in this fashion. हे लिहायचं सांगायचं कसं? It is the difference in electric potential between metal rod and the solution around it when the metal rod is dipped in 1 molar solution at 298 Kelvin temperature referred to as the standard electrode potential. So it is the difference in electric potential across the metal rod and the solution around it when metal rod is dipped in its 1 molar solution at 298 Kelvin temperature, particularly at the condition of equilibrium we generally call electrode potential, standard electrode potential. We can say here that it is the potential difference across the metal rod and the solution around it when the solution under consideration is under standard state we generally call standard electrode potential. First term. Now we have defined here the second one, standard oxidation potential. The oxidation potential particularly due to the process of oxidation when metal rod is dipped in its 1 molar solution at 298 Kelvin temperature. It is generally called standard oxidation potential. Standard reduction same one. The difference in electric potential across the metal rod and the solution around it when metal rod is dipped in its 1 molar solution at 298 Kelvin temperature. In some of the cases, if there is a gaseous electrode, at that time we generally maintain here the condition of the pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. So we have to follow here these terms as a electrode potential, oxidation potential, reduction potential in general. Again remember here the standard electrode potential, standard oxidation potential or standard reduction potential. We'll define here these terms in this fashion. Only remember here that it is the difference in electric potential between metal rod and the solution around it, particularly at the condition of equilibrium. What it may be due to the process of oxidation, maybe due to the process of reduction. Depending upon that, reduction potential, oxidation potential. If we maintain the standard conditions, follow here standard oxidation, standard reduction is there. In this fashion, remember here the terms. What is the meaning of standard electrode potential, standard oxidation potential, standard reduction potential? Now relate here the equation between cell potential. We will follow like this. E cell is equal to the, what is the cell potential? Cell potential काय असते? How define the cell potential? We know here that cell is made up of the two half cells, anodic half cell and cathodic half cell. For our convenience, E cell is equal to oxidation potential of the potential due to the oxidation and potential due to the reduction is there. We can define here this term in this fashion. Cell potential can be defined as it is algebraic sum of oxidation potential at the anode and reduction potential at the cathode. The same potential we generally call somewhat cell potential. Accepted. For our convenience, we can put up here the E standard cell बरोबर E standard oxy plus E standard reduction is there. In this case, how to remember this one here? Again the same one. It is algebraic sum of standard oxidation potential at the anode and standard reduction potential at the cathode. The same potential we generally call somewhat standard cell potential. Okay. Now we have to modify this equation. तुम्हाला इक्वेशन मॉडिफाय करायचं आहे. मग कसं असतं ॲज पर IUPAC norms the potential is always a reduction potential. जे काय पोटेन्शियल असेल की नाही ते रिडक्शन पोटेन्शियल असतं. मग आपण ते जर घेतलं असेल तर काय होतं इन दिस केस E standard oxy will just change the term. It will convert into the particularly anode. It converts it as a minus E standard reduction at the anode is there. आम्ही जर साइन कन्व्हेन्शन बदललं तर तुम्हाला ऑक्सिडेशन पोटेन्शियल हे रिडक्शन पोटेन्शियल होऊ शकतं. कशामुळं ॲज पर IUPAC norms what is the potential which you have to use is always the reduction potential. While calling we call it as a standard potential. If we follow the standard potential, it means that the given potential is the reduction potential. आपल्याला जे काही बोलायचे वर्कआउट करायचे ते फक्त रिडक्शन पोटेन्शियलच्या फॉर्ममध्ये आहे. And for that we have to follow here, we have to deal with the reduction potential. Suppose here if we put this condition in our equation, we can write like this: E standard cell बरोबर E standard particularly reduction at the cathode minus E standard reduction at the anode is there. So remember here this equation, which is very, very important in solving the examples based on the standard cell potential calculation. क्या मैं ऐसे लिखू शकतो E standard cell बरोबर E standard right hand side electrode which is cathode minus E standard left hand side electrode. So you have to follow any sign convention. We'll have the equation like this. So standard cell potential we can define from this equation very simple one like this. पहा the difference in potential तुम्हाला हे सांगायचं आहे. Okay, so it is the potential difference in transferring the electron from high potential region anode to the low potential region cathode through external electric wire. The same potential we generally call standard cell potential. Standard cell potential can be defined as it is the potential just in transferring difference in potential or potential in transferring electron from high potential region anode to the low potential region cathode through the external metal wire. The same potential we generally call standard cell potential. By following this one, we can easily define here this term also. So simply we can define here the standard cell potential as a algebraic sum of these two terms. Along the same, we can interpret here in this fashion difference in potential in transferring the electrons, in transferring the electric current from high potential region anode to the low potential region cathode. So whatever that difference in potential we generally call standard cell potential. By solving numericals, we have to use here this equation: E standard reduction at the cathode minus E standard reduction at the anode. What is the potential which we consider is always in terms of the